yesterday I couldn't get out of the Sound. And there are the Cardinal marks outside of the Sound. And we've done it in less than an hour from Jenny Cliff out of the Sound. So the next task, I think, we will move through the wind. I guess technically I'm going to have to jibe at some point, and head towards coarse over there, and then we'll go back in to the Sound. I don't really have time today to go out and do some form of long trip, so a bit of practicing around and a bit of manoeuvres and testing of the sails in actual wind we'll have to do, which is good.